Hey everyone, we got a Honda Odyssey we're working on. He's a brother from church, and he ended up taking his car because they were having an issue with the alternator, and that mechanic ended up replacing the alternator, and then the vehicle out of nowhere broke down on them. And they came out with the solution that it was one of the valves on one of the heads. I'm not sure which one. And well, they went on and they got the heads resurfaced. This is the one that took off right now from that block. They got it resurfaced, and they got it all cleaned up. I guess they got new valves or something, new stems or something like that. Here's the ones that I'm gonna offer the client, brother from church. I mean, here's the one. Here's the other one I pulled out. Well, it seems like these mechanics, when they put everything back together, they got new parts and everything. I'm not sure what brand head gasket is this. Nowadays, it looks like it's Felpro. Looks like these mechanics put everything back together. They did a pretty good job because a lot of things were in its place. Not everything was like just everywhere. Everything was put back together pretty good. It looks like they knew what they were doing. But when it came for timing, those who know how to work on these vehicles, on these Honda engines, they know that the timing for these ones is pretty much straightforward. You cannot go wrong. If you're a tooth off, you know that you're way off. You have to fix the error. And fixing the error it's not really that hard. I mean, you're able to put it back together. You're able to put it back on timing. It's the easiest. It's pretty much straightforward, But I'm not sure what happened. I'm not sure what went wrong. I'm not sure what they did. But I could tell you this, that when they brought it to me, because they were now they came up with the solution was that the what's it called? Forget the name. The crankshaft threw a rod or something, because they said they had the car running and then it shut off on them. Well, brothers and sisters who are seeing this, mechanic world, and I should have recorded this before, but since I was kind of frustrated when they brought the car to me, because I was really not trying to do this job. But they brought it to me, and I was like, how could they? My mind was like, something went wrong, because either they didn't know what they were doing with the timing, or something really did go wrong with the block. But everyone who works on these motors, they know that it's really hard for this this crankshaft to go bad, or anything to go bad with the block. Is usually on the head. So I checked it out, took off the timing covers, and I found that this head was the timing was equal with the crank, but the head on the back was way off. The timing mark was like off many tooth. So I timed it back on. I put the timing, I spanned it like a few times, over 3 times, to make sure that it wasn't popping off or anything, or that if it wasn't, a problem with the tensioner or something, I was just trying to figure out what went wrong. Why did these guys have this issue? And I put it back together, not completely, but I just put it together to see if the car cranks. The car did crank. It started up and it died off real quick. So I run a compression test, and we had no compression on none of the cylinders. So what happened is that when it jumped timing, I'm not sure which ones it bent, but I could show you one thing, and you guys be the judge for yourself. Look at this head. Look at these valves. And that's, tell me, are you guys able to see that? Look at the intakes. Look at the exhaust. Look at all of them. Look at the exhaust. Look at the intake. And that's on both heads. So, did you guys think the timing jumped, or something went wrong with the timing, or did they put the timing wrong? What do you guys be the judge of this? I'm breaking my head trying to figure out what went wrong. How did someone mess up the timing on these Honda engines? I'm not sure, but that's what I'm trying to figure out. And it sucks for my brother, that he has to go through this. Thankfully, they didn't charge him the labor. They just charged him what it was, the parts. Unfortunately, I am going to have to charge him the labor. I am going to have to charge him the parts. I'm going to sell him these two heads right here that I pulled out of similar year of this Odyssey. And I didn't need the heads. I just needed the block, because I got the same Odyssey, but 2 years older, and the heads are different. The VTEC on the one on mine has the VTEC on this side, for those who know these engines, and this one has it on this side. So, and I was gonna trash these out. I was gonna scrap them, but look, it worked. It was a win-win. I was able to save them, and for a good cost. So I'm gonna be donating him, well, selling him, because, well, I guess you could say donating, because I am pretty much, and the labor is all gonna go all together. So I guess you could say donating, selling, whatever you want to say. At the end of the day, he is gonna have to pay for this labor, because we all know that this labor is not, it's easy work, honestly. It's pretty much straightforward, but for those who know, it's not a starter replacement. We have, for those who know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Those are the two heads, the same how this one looks. That one looks as well. It looks the same underneath. The valves are hit right there too, and on this side. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I bent the valves right there. I'm not going to pull it apart just to see, but supposedly they have warranty on those heads. So I'm gonna send it back with over there with those mechanics, see what they could do, and have them. But I don't have no time to be sending it to the shops. I have no time for that. So I'm gonna throw those in and hope for the best. Make sure that everything is put on back the way it's supposed to, and hopefully I don't make no mistakes with the timing. But I've done these few times. I've done this multiple times actually, and thank God that none of those clients have came back to me for a timing issue or anything like that in that aspect. So here we go. We already know that we put God first here, so everything should be coming out good, guys. Stevens Automotive, staying on top. For those wondering, I got it already done. Maybe you guys thought that I was gonna put this part, but here's the after. I already got everything back together, put the timing, put the new heads, like I was saying. And I'm just gonna turn it on.